The following is a short instructional video on an alternative method of setting limits on an automatic technology easy roller opener. Here, we are going to step away from the traditional method of setting the limit positions with the control panel, into a secondary method which will be with the use of a coded remote transmitter. Before we start, we need to step through orientation of the coded remote button configuration, in a limit set procedure. That button configuration, in limit set mode is: top left, up inching drive button. Bottom left, down inching drive button. Top right, set button. And the bottom right button controls the change of drive position for left and right hand openers. Now that we understand the configuration, we need to check the control panel is ready for limit set. This is indicated by the close light flashing red, indicating that we need to set the close limit. So let's do that now, using the coded remote. With the bottom left button, we drive the door down. If the direction is not going down, we can change the direction by pressing the change of drive position button once. Now continue to set the limits, driving the door down to the desired closed position. Small adjustments can be done right at the last position of travel by pulsing the open or close buttons. If you've over-traveled on the close side, you can jog the door back up by pulsing the open drive button. When you're happy with that position, press set. Now we need to set the open drive limit. Once again, it's a dead man switch. If you take your finger off, the door will stop. Continue to drive the door to the desired open position. When you're close to the desired open position, you can pulse very specific small adjustments. If you've over-traveled in the open, you can jog it back down with it down button. If you're happy with that position, press set. Now you'll see that the unit will go into a profiling mode. 3 cycles to set the door opening and closing force parameters up on the easy roller. You have now effectively used the coded remote transmitter to set the limit positioning on an easy roller opener. Thanks for watching. Automatic technology. Smart, simple, secure.